Welcome guys to a new video, a past paper 1 question. It's finance. So Angel has $520 in his savings account. Angel considers investing the money for 5 years with a bank. The bank offers an annual interest rate of 1.2% compounded quarterly. Question A, calculate the amount of money Angel would have at the end of 5 years with the bank. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay. So there's formulas to be used if you want to. I prefer to use the finance solver from the graphic calculator. So access the finance solver and it's going to ask you to fill in these values. So here's how you do it. Fill in the easiest ones first. The interest rate is 1.2. The compounding is quarterly. So the compounding per year over here is going to be 4 times a year. And the PPY is also going to be the 4. Then the PMT is 0 because there's no payments to be made in this period, so nothing has to change there. The present value is the money that you give the bank. So Angel is going to put the money to the bank. That's going to be $520 minus 520. You put it with the minus because it shows that you're giving the money to the bank, so it's a cash outflow on your side. Then you have 5 years. 5 years where the compounding happens 4 times a year. So the periods to consider are 5 times 4, 5 years with 4 periods per year, which is 20 periods. Okay, you do all of that and then you go to future value on the calculator and click enter. Then you will see the answer. The answer will be $552.11 to 2 decimal places. That's the answer to part A. Hope this makes sense. Then we carry on and we go to part B. Instead of investing the money, Angel decides to buy a phone that costs $520. At the end of 5 years, the phone will have a value of $30. It may be assumed that the depreciation rate per year is constant. Calculate the annual depreciation rate. So we can still use the finance solver in this case. The depreciation rate is a negative interest rate, basically. You can think of it that way. So we are looking for the interest rate. Now we have 5 years and we know that the depreciation is on a yearly basis. So for the compounding and the payment per year, we just keep the value of 1. The payment does not change. It still stays at 0 as it was. And then for the present value, we will have minus 520, as in we are paying for the phone 520. And the future value, we consider the value after the 5 years. So the value after 5 years is going to be a positive $30. With all that being said, we go to the interest on our calculator, click enter, and it's going to give us the answer. And the answer will be minus 43.5%. Now, it's a negative interest to signify depreciation, but the answer itself, when you write it on your exam paper, you're just going to say 43.5%. That's it. This concludes the question. Hope this all makes sense. We are done. If you like the video, please drop it a like. If you follow this course, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.